Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to Carful to a new video on the channel. This video will be a very short one about a very powerful tool that you can use on a Mibox and that you can use every day and that you need very much to use the Mibox at full power. It's a very powerful tool, so stay tuned for that. I use the program TeamViewer to stream from the Mibox to my laptop here. It's free to use as long as you're not monetized. So, first of all, you go to the Google Play Store and download the app Set Orientation. Install it on your Mibox and run it. Now you can set the orientation for horizontal, and all the apps you use in the future will appear like they should, and your mouse will go up when you want it to go up and not in another direction, like it will do when the app is not working. It is a very powerful tool because now you can use all the apps that are meant for the smartphone also in the right direction on the Mibox. See, like the program Field Music Equalizer. Normally this is a program that you use on the smartphone, but now you can use it on the Mibox too. And it's because of the program Set Orientation that you can use it here on the Mibox. It's a very powerful program, and the Equalizer is also a very powerful program. You can use it for your Bluetooth earphones to set the sound like you could see in the previous video. This is again a wrap for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. If you did, hit a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I wish you a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and a Happy New Year. And I hope you will join me in the future for the next videos to come. Peace.